Hello, today I am going to show you how to connect Supabase with FastAPI. So let's start the main video. First, open Supabase website. Make sure you are logged in. Now click on New Project. Now enter your organization, project name, database password and region. Then click on Create New Project. Here you can see the project is created. Now click on it. Then click on Connect. Now copy this connection URI. After that, open VS Code app and create a file and name it main.py. Now paste the connection URI in this file. Then replace the database password in it. Now import SQL model. For that, write this code. Then define class. For that, write this code. After that, import create engine. For that, write this code. Now import FastAPI. For that, write this code. Then import ASYNC context manager. For that, write this code. Now define create DB and tables. For that, write this code. Now define ASYNC context manager. For that, write this code. Then define app. For that, write this code. Now define ending point. For that, write this code and this code. Now save this file by clicking Ctrl+S button of your keyboard. Now Supabase connected with FastAPI successfully. For checking this, go to the Supabase. Here you can see the Supabase project is connected with FastAPI. And that's it. Thanks for watching.